what you've been told, but time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, so spend it like it's gold. I'm living like I'm not zeros. Got no regrets even when
What's next? Scuba diving. Helmet diving. Yan, dyan kami sa ilalim mamaya. Ilang feet nga to, kuya? Ilang feet? 50 feet, guys. Kuya, I don't know how to swim. Yeah! Wow! Wow! Wow, wow, wow. Kaya pala sila tumatambay dito, may hinahagis kayo. Very good. Coolest. I've tried inside. Wala akong nahuli ni isa. Yan. May lecture po kami kay Kuya for helmet diving.
So this helmet is easy to use. Just already put in your shoulders. And then we have a handle in front. This one the handle. So all the time your one hand you can hold the handle. All the time only one hand. And then inside the helmet you can breathe more back. Because the water is until your neck not going inside. And then when you go down you feel pain in your ears because we have a pressure. So you can do the equalize. If you go down, if you feel pain, your one hand put inside the helmet. And then close your mouth, pick your nose, and then blow. Blow in your nose so we will pump the pressure. So you can try first now. Blow in your nose. Or if you want to swallow or exercise your jaw like in the airplane. And then next, we will use the hand signals because you cannot talk that get inside the mouth. So we will use the hand signals. This is okay. This is going up. If you want to go up, 4 times up. Going down. And then if you have a problem, sound like this problem. For example, you feel pain in your ears. Send to the divers problem. Then put your ears, the dive get will come to. And then the dive get we will sound like this. This is stop. And then last, the dive guide we will sound like this. This is kneel. Kneel down. Because we have a giant clam here in the bottom, so if you want to sink closer, so we will use kneel down. Or if you want to play with the Nemo, the clownfish.
Yeah, that's what we are searching on.
Then the dive guide, we will ask you if you're okay, so I need your response. Your response okay to the dive guide. So we'll repeat that signals now, okay?
Okay.
Up,
Up,
down,
down, problem,
stop,
stop,
kneel down.
kneel down.
And then last, we have a ladder, so if you go down to the ladder, the water is until your shoulder. And then the helmet, just already put in your shoulders, just already automatic, your one hand hold the handle. And then the other one, just already put inside the helmet. Ready for equalize. If you go down, if you feel pain, you have to do it. So that's all, ma'am. Do you have a question, ma'am?
Question, guys. Hey, guys. What do you feel? Nervous? Excited? Nervous?
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes.
How was it? Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, ano, bingi ka na. Yeah. Ma'am, kamusta? Kamay po. Salamat po. Balik ulit kayo, madam. Ang galing talaga ni Ma'am.
Kaway naman kayo dyan! Yeah, they are the people, 10 years! people in charge sa helmet diving. Hello! Bye-bye. Thank you mga kuya! Awesome crew! Did you enjoy, guys? Did you enjoy? Yes!